Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you all a new website called StayClassy.in, which makes customized products. Also they have their own design products. They make products like customized phone covers of every brand and of every series. They also have customized cute little keychains and pop-up holders. Also have customized t-shirts and watches, and they are adding more and more products in their website. And I have bought some of the customized products from them, which I have gifted to one of my friend, and the quality is very good and the prices are very cheap. So without further ado, let's roll to the video. So the first product which I bought from Stay Classy is this phone cover which I gifted him on his birthday, and he is just loving it. It is of S9 plus, and here the tag is given of StayClassy.in, and this is the phone case. It is so sturdy and hard. It costed me around 150 rupees, and I have customized this 3 pictures in a single phone case. I have just went to the website and I have selected the series of his phone, and I have just inserted these 3 pictures from my gallery, and they have sent like as it is. I have customized and it is so good. The color is so good. The color I have given to them, it is as same as I have given, and it has been 1 year from which he is using this cover, and the color is not 1% also faded, and there is no breakage. It perfectly fits the phone, and he is just loving it. He always uses this cover. This is so good. I'll definitely buy these kind of covers for my all of the friends, and like I'm looking forward to it again. So it is really recommended. The quality and the product is so good. You can buy it, and I'll rate it 5 out of 5 definitely. So yeah, this is my first product, and the packaging was also very good. Like they have given me in bubble wrapping, and the delivery is not that much good. They give around, in my address, I live in West Bengal, so they have delivered me in 20 to 30 days. So if you want to order something, so and you want to gift someone, so you can order this before 20 to 30 days. So the next product I got in this little pouch is one keychain and one pop-up holder, which is also customized. I got this for one of my friends, so the picture is private and I cannot show it. So I can show you the like keychain is of heart shape, and you can get any kind of shape you want. You can get teddy bear, or you can get a square shaped or diamond shaped. Any kind of shape you want, you will get it. The picture quality is so good and shiny, and the key ring is also very sturdy, and she has also been using this last 1 or 2 years, so there are no scratches and no breakages. So this is also very good, and I definitely recommend it, and she is just loving it. So she is going to buy more and more from there, and it costed me around like 99 rupees, and along with the shipping charges, if you buy more products there is free shipping, and if you buy 1 or 2 products you have to give the shipping. Also I got a pop-up holder in this cute little pouch. This is also for my friend, so I cannot share you the picture, but I can say the quality is so good. The back part is like this, and the picture quality is so good. She has also inserted a name inside it with the picture. You can also insert text and images from your gallery. So, and this is also for 99 rupees, which is so cheap. Like the keychains and the pop-up holders available in Amazon and Flipkart, they are so costly. 150, 200, you will get very bad products. But these things are so good and the quality is so good. I definitely recommend all of these products to you, and you can definitely buy them and give them to anyone. You can buy it for yourself also. The products are so good and so cheap. The last product I brought from the Snapstore app. They print single Polaroids. Also they customize fridge stickers and calendars according to your size and texture in a very minimal price. They also have customized photo frames and photo albums according to whichever size you want. And this is the last product which got this in this cute little bag, which is so good, in which there is written Snap Store, and it is like this, bobby print and black, which I gifted to my friend again, and he is just loving it. It has 71 pictures. It has 71 pictures, seriously, and I got this for I think 150 rupees, which is so cheap. I have inserted my own customized photos, 71 pictures I have inserted here. I have made like more than 50 collage, and then I have inserted here, and there are many single pictures also. So you can see some pictures. This is a school picture, and this is some of his pictures, and these are puja pictures, Durga Puja pictures. These are farewell pictures. This is also farewell picture. This is some of funny pictures, and see, I have done collage, and many more pictures of him I have inserted over here, which is really good. See, I have done collage and I have inserted. Like, the pictures are so good quality, you can't imagine even. Like, they have done a really great job. I'll definitely recommend you to buy these kind of products for gifting or for yourself also. I will rate this 5 out of 5 definitely, and the products are so good. I just love them. So if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit the bell button icon, and I'll give you the link of my Instagram in the description box. Do follow me there, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.